Hello and welcome back to Minute 1. Today I have continued on the scratch. I still didn't get any comments, so if you have any ideas what we should do, like a game or points or something, make sure to comment below some ideas that I should make tutorials for to make. Some easy ideas. Today I'm just going to go through the basic stuff, like basic puzzle pieces, you could say, that you need to make a successful Scratch game or interactive or anything that you want to do. So the first main thing is to move your character forwards and backwards. So we're going to do that by grabbing, and when I click flag, forever, if sensing, key pressed, right. So in this hole, it's basically what should I do if I press right arrow, which is forwards. I'm gonna say move 10 steps. Okay, moves 10 steps. You can right click the first block to delimitate it, to make it go backwards, to say left arrow and minus 10 steps. Pretty straightforward. Now you click the flag, forwards, backwards. Okay, that's one of the basics that everyone needs to know. For every game, you need to move or do stuff. Forwards, backwards. Okay, number 2, points. You can have a point system in Scratch. So whenever, let's just go here, whenever Scratch, the character, touches this, whenever Scratch, the character, touches this, it's really not working for me today, this red triangle. When this character touches it, moves in it, does anything with it, like I want a point or I want something to happen. So always make sure you click sprite. This is the script for sprite 1, so the character. So it's pretty straightforward, just as the other two. We're going to start with forever if. So forever if Scratch is touching color red. That's red. So if color, so there's basically what should I do if Scratch is touching color. You can go to data. You can make variable. So you can make a variable name. So you can say, I don't know, big or point or whatever. Okay, then you have a big. So that's maybe my points. So I can say in the beginning of the game, so just when you click start, you have to set the points to 0. Okay, and then when you touch the red, you change big by 1. So that increases by 1. And you can also show variable. So it sets it to 0 first, then it shows it. So there's basically your point system. I can run in there. I have to activate it. And I get points. But you don't want that the numbers are just flying high. So we are going to put wait 1 second. So you can only get 1 point, basically, per second. So I'm going to press stop, start, my points return to 0. I go there, I get 1 point. Every second, I get 1 point. Or you can increase it to every 2 seconds, so you can't just stand there and get 50 billion points. Okay, so that's point system. on to number 3. Okay, on to number 3. So we're gonna work on multiples, so clones, you could say. This is not my game. I did not program this. This is on the Scratch website. Whoa. Okay, sorry. Forget what I just said. Say you want to make a cloning, so a dodging game with like meteors or rocks, whatever. You don't want to have 50 billion rocks as a sprite in here. That will just, so you have to program every rock that moves individually. We don't want that. I am just going to get another character from here. I'm just going to say random pick banana. Okay, just loading a bit. Hit OK. And then it will like spawn a banana in Scratch. Pretty cool, right? Banana. I can make this banana clone as if the banana were rocks or meteors that you needed lots of. So there's my banana. I can say, using the repeat 10, whatever number stands here says how many clones I will get. Create a clone. This is only in the newer version of Scratch, the Scratch 2 offline editor, the one that I showed you how to download in episode 1 of Jim Hoggy's Scratch tutorial. So create 10 clones, and then you have another one. What do I do when I start as a clone? There you put your program in what each clone should do. So I can make all of these bananas look. I can make them say hello. All 10 of them. I can change their size by 50, 64, and I can do all sorts of things. So let's give it a try. Okay, so that is all of the bananas. I just changed this. So this is the original banana. 10 bananas are behind here, as you can see. You can drag them out. And then you can delete the bananas, or you can delete at the bottom, you can say delete this clone. So it changes their size, and then it deletes them. So you can put a weight. This is basically, so whatever your meteor or your space rocket that you want to have lots of, want to do, put it in here. When I start as clone, put it in there. On to number 4. Okay, this is number 4. This is probably going to be the last one that I have for you today. We're going to work onto the wait until block. You can also send messages, so like broadcast this. So when Scratch broadcasts a message, the banana can say, hey, I just found that message. It could be like a Kickstarter for a big program that does something. Okay. Wait until block. So I can say the banana has to wait until Scratch touches the red block, and then the banana does something. So Scratch, so we have to say wait until, we can usually just use the when I receive message. Okay. So you can use messages and stuff. Looks like I'm running out of time here. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll be back. Thank you.